Yo guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, up 3.5% today and getting a nice move off this green zone of support where we made that high a little while back. Obviously Tesla reacting pretty positively around this zone, getting that nice move up, but obviously turning this zone, this purple zone, which used to be support, as you can see, support, now starting to turn it into resistance, which is definitely a red flag, definitely a signal of caution for longing. Not exactly what the bulls want to see, essentially. And guys, I do want to mention I'm not a financial advisor, so take all this, advice, do what you want with it, but take it with a grain of salt. I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I see. So going into tomorrow, guys, I can definitely see Tesla, getting a deeper retest into this purple zone. But until we could actually start finding support above 190 and start holding 190, then I don't expect Tesla to get anything meaningful to the upside, okay? But if we do start holding above 390 and we hold that, then yeah, I can see a rally up to 430. I can see, the bulls starting to get a nice move up. But until we can see, 390, the top of this purple zone, until we could see that getting claimed as support, then I would assume any move up near 390 would be smacked back down again, and we probably head back toward a deeper retest into this green zone, maybe even see down to 340s in the coming weeks, guys. So just essentially, just to make it simple, as you can see, we are below that daily 9 EMA, that blue daily 9 EMA, which every time we came up to it, we just get smacked down. Every time we get up to it, it's just a huge resistance, and that continues to happen here. So I could see another move, back to really retest that 9 EMA. But as of right now, until anything changes, I would have to assume that we're going to get smacked down again. I would be surprised if this bottom, this short-term bottom we made right here, was our actual pivot bottom. I would be pretty surprised if that was all we got. So after we do get a move up, say maybe we get close to 390, I would assume we are going to get another big leg down, guys. Until 390 is claimed as support, until we can hold daily candles above 390, I'm going to assume that Tesla just is going to continue this downtrend, guys. And it is worth mentioning that, I do think Tesla is a great stock to invest in. I do think that is going to be, up way past 380 in the coming years, not financial advice. So anytime we get lower, say 360, 350, 340, even if we come down to, near 300, I think these are just great times to, buy, not financial advice, good places to get Tesla for a cheaper price. So it shouldn't really be too scary if we keep heading lower, because it's really just cheaper prices, guys. So as long as you risk manage properly and you're not caught longing the stock all the way up here when we're down here, then I think you're in a pretty good boat, guys. Longing the stock, even if you have a pretty bad position, is not always the end of the world, because stocks are supposed to go up and they're supposed to go to the right, which is is going to help out those longs in the long run. So essentially, all I got for you guys. We need to see Tesla start claiming 390 as support. If that does happen, we could see a rally. But until that does happen, guys, I expect any move up to the 380s, near 390, to get smacked down. And for this, kind of bounce off this green zone back to the purple, just to kind of be a retest into another leg down, is what I'm seeing right now, until we can claim 390. That's all I got for you guys. Go ahead and check out my Discord. I put the live trading updates for Tesla and Nvidia every single day. Let you know key levels to look out for, some good buying positions. That link is in my bio, so definitely go check that out. It's only $5 a month. People really seem to like it. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.